Really press into your feet, maximize this stretch here. Notice what it feels like to be alive today. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And then exhale, hands right to your heart. Palms are together in prayer position. Let me just find a little lift up through the chest, sternum to thumbs. Take a moment to observe the breath. Notice how you feel. You might close your eyes, just kind of go inward. It helps to just take a moment to close your eyes. And the knees as much as you need to lift the hips up high and back. On your next inhale, take the deepest breath you've taken all day. And then on the exhale, just walk the hands and the feet in towards the middle together. So you'll meet in the middle of your yoga mat. And then one more time, inhale, halfway lift, moving with the breath. Fingertips back, airplane arms. And exhale, release everything down. Inhale to reach for the sky.